Welcome back to Dream Autos. Today we're taking a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2026 AMC Javelin, a modern revival of one of America's most iconic muscle cars. AMC is bringing back the Javelin name with a bold design, updated technology, and powerful performance options that give this classic a new life in today's performance car market. The 2026 Javelin blends retro-inspired styling cues from the original models with the modern muscle car feel that enthusiasts crave, making it a standout in this new era of high-performance vehicles. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 AMC Javelin commands attention immediately with its aggressive yet nostalgic design. At the front, the wide stance is highlighted by a large split grille with honeycomb mesh inserts framed by slim LED headlights that deliver a menacing look. The sculpted hood features muscular lines and available dual heat extractor vents that hint at the power beneath. Along the sides, the Javelin maintains a classic fastback profile with a long hood, short deck proportions, and a flowing roofline that pays homage to its heritage. Prominent wheel arches and sharp character lines running from the front fender to the rear quarter panels create a dynamic and athletic stance. Buyers can choose from 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels, with performance models featuring wider tires for improved grip. At the rear, the Javelin makes a bold statement with wraparound LED taillights, a subtle integrated spoiler, and dual or quad exhaust tips depending on the trim. The overall design is both aggressive and refined, honoring the Javelin's history while standing out among modern muscle cars. Inside the cabin, AMC has taken a driver-focused approach with a mix of retro flair and modern convenience. The dashboard is clean and streamlined, centered around a 12-inch digital driver display and a large 11.5-inch infotainment touchscreen running the latest connectivity features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Subtle design touches like retro-inspired round air vents and unique trim patterns remind drivers of the Javelin's classic roots. Seating is supportive and available in cloth, premium leather, or Alcantara, with sport seats offered on performance models. While the Javelin is primarily a two-door coupe, rear seating is surprisingly usable for short trips, and trunk space is generous enough for daily practicality. Overall, the interior strikes a balance between performance-driven ergonomics and everyday comfort. When it comes to performance, the 2026 AMC Javelin doesn't disappoint. The standard engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder, delivering around 300 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for strong daily performance and excellent fuel efficiency. Stepping up, buyers can opt for a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, pushing out 420 horsepower, available with both rear-wheel drive and optional all-wheel drive for improved handling. For enthusiasts seeking maximum thrill, the Javelin RT model comes equipped with a 6.4-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing over 500 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or an advanced automatic transmission. This version launches from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, putting it firmly in the modern muscle car category. Suspension tuning has been engineered to balance comfort with sharp handling, and adaptive dampers are available on higher trims for precision control. Fuel economy ranges from around 28 miles per gallon combined on the base model to about 18 mpg combined on the V8 powerhouse. As for pricing, the 2026 AMC Javelin starts at approximately $37,000 for the base turbocharged model, offering an affordable entry into the muscle car segment. The mid-range twin-turbo V6 model ranges between $44,000 and $48,000, while the top-tier V8-powered Javelin RT starts around $58,000 and can climb past $65,000 when fully loaded with performance and luxury options. In conclusion, the 2026 AMC Javelin is a bold and exciting return of a classic American muscle car. With its head-turning design, a well-balanced interior, powerful engine options, and competitive pricing, the Javelin has everything it needs to challenge today's muscle car icons while carving out its own identity in the modern automotive world.